Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about sum of given n numbers using loop and range functions in Python programming. So first of all, in Python comment is used to explain the code. Now here, sum of given n numbers. Sum of given n numbers. So first of all, we can use a Python int function in Python program that takes the user enter the number small n is equal to that input value is integer type, so int of Python int function input of open the bracket inside the double quotation enter a number. Next, declare a variable that name sum. Declare a variable name sum. So it will contain sum of a natural numbers sum. So now where the another bracket, declare the variable sum. Initially the sum value is considered as 0. Next, create the for loop. Next, create the for loop for num in range of using range function range of 0 comma n plus 1. End of the for loop statement we can use colon. So inside a for loop, calculate the sum of n numbers using the condition sum is equal to sum plus number. Sum is equal sum plus number. So using the print function sum of first n numbers sum of first numbers is comma sum, and this is the sum of the given n numbers Python program code. So first I will explain this Python program code step by step, and after that I will save the program and run the program. So now here initially the sum value is 0. Initially the sum is equal to 0. Initial sum value is 0, and the range of the function, suppose for example enter the input value function n is equal to small n is equal to 6. So it is the range of the values will be displayed range of 0 comma n plus 1. N is equal to 6, 6 plus 1 7. So the range values are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at the end of the for loop statement using the print function, so display the number values num, the number values will be displayed. So what are the number values? Range of the number values 0 to 6. So first take the first number. N number is equal to 0. Number is equal to 0. So print that number value. And what is the condition? Sum is equal to sum plus number. Sum is equal to sum plus number. Initial sum value is 0. Number value is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And it moves to the next item of the number, next range of the number. The next range of the number is equal to 1. Number is equal to 1. And print the number value. The condition is sum is equal to number plus sum plus number. So previous sum value is 0. Now the range of the number is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And the next item of the range is, next number range is num is equal to 2. And using the condition sum is equal to sum plus number, and the previous sum value is 1, number value is 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And it moves to the next range of the number. The next range of the number is number is equal to 3. And using sum condition, sum is equal to sum plus number. Previous sum value is 3. Now the number value is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And it moves to the next range of the number. The next range of the number is number is equal to 4. So using sum condition, sum is equal to sum plus number. Previous sum value is 6 plus number value is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. And it moves to the next range of the number. The next range of the number is, so number is equal to 5. Sum is equal to sum plus number. Previous sum value is 10. Now the number value is 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. And it moves to the next range of the number value. The next number value is 6. So using sum condition, sum is equal to sum plus number. Previous sum value is 15. Number value is 6. 15 plus 6, 21. Okay, this is the step-by-step explanation of the sum of the given n numbers. So finally we get sum of the given n number. Here n is the input number is we entered, n is equal to 6. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 21. The sum of the first 6 numbers is 21. So now save the program. Okay. So now here end of the statement, end of this sum statement using the print function. So print the each sum value, step by step sum value. Each sum value will be printed according to this explanation from this. Now save the program. Click on the save button. Go to the file. Click on the save button. Give the file name. So now my file name is sum of n numbers. file name dot py. Click on the save button. Now go to the run. Click on the run module. So now enter the input number value. N is small, n is equal to 6. Okay, the sum of first 6 numbers is 21. So number value, the range of the number values are 0, number is equal to 0, and for first sum value is 0. The range of next number value is 1, and its next sum value is 1. The range of the next number value is 2, and the next sum value is 3. And the range of the next number value is 3, and its sum value is 6. And the range of the next number value is 4, and its sum value is 10. And the range of the number value is 5, and its sum value is 15. And the range of the number value is 6, and its sum value is 21. So this is the program of the sum of the given n numbers. So now here I explained step by step procedure.